You guys, so I'm going to give you guys the inside scoop for what's happening starting next week. So September 29th. So my husband took the stinkers to the baseball game. So I have had all of this free time to go through the ads. So I already have my breakdowns written out. So I'm just going to share them with you. So first deal is buy one, get one free vitamins. So I got a 2 off 2 CRT that printed. So I got a $2 off CRT that printed at the bread machine today. So that'd be a good CRT to go ahead and hold for next week. So you buy one, you get one free, and then you take $2 off. So I think that is a fantastic deal. So another deal is on Colgate Max Fresh and Colgate Optic White. So they are $3.49. There's a 50 cent off one coupon that's coming in next week's Smart Source. So it drops it down to $2.99. And then you get a $2 extra care buck when you buy two. And I got $1 off any toothpaste CRT that printed today. So if you have that CRT and if you get that 50-cent coupon next week, it's going to make the toothpaste absolutely free. So the next deal is a spend 30, get 10. And I did a Pampers scenario. So Pampers are 2 for $20, and we are getting 3 off 2 coupons coming in our inserts on Sunday. So what you could do is buy 4 of them for $40. I got a CRT that printed for 3 off 15. I got 2 of them that printed on the same card. So you could use, if you got those same CRTs, if they printed double for you, you can use 2 of the 3 off 15 because you're spending at least $30. You can use 2 of the 3 off 2 insert coupons. So you would end up paying $28. Then you get a $10 extra care buck back, making them just $4.50 each. And I think that is a killer deal for Pampers. All right. So moving along, Wayfair. I thought that this was a good gift card promo. You spend $50 and you get a $10 extra care buck. So if you need to get some furniture in your house, Wayfair is a really good option. So a few grocery deals I'm seeing is the Nabisco 2.2 to 6.5 ounce. They are $1. Also, again, the Post and Fruity Pebbles are $1.99. In terms of the cosmetics, the only cosmetic deal that I think is worth doing is the Paparazzi nail polish because they are 2 for $5. You get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2, so it makes them 50 cents each. And then if you have that dollar CRT for Paparazzi, it makes it free. You can combine it with any other cosmetic CRT if you're doing like other cosmetic deals. That could be an option. Okay, so let's see. The L'Oreal Everpure, they are 2 for $15. When you buy 25, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. We still have printable coupons on coupons.com for 4 off 2. We also have another Garnier deal, 2 for $7, $3 off 2 coupon coming in our inserts, so it makes them 2 for $4. If you have a CRT for hair care, definitely pair it here. You can combine the different shampoo deals. We're having another spend 20, get 10 on Nexus. So you could, do the same exact deal on Nexus that we got this current sale cycle. What else? We have a free Sure or Brute deodorant. So they are $2. You get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 1. Soft soap, hand soap, the 8 through 11 2.5 ounce. They are 2 for $5. You get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. You can print 2 50-cent off 1 coupons from the soft soap website, so it makes them $1 each, which is a great deal in my opinion. Schick razors, buy 2 get 10. If you have a 3 off 12 CRT and those Schick coupons, that would be a good deal. Also the CVS Health brand of cold and flu, they are buy one get one 50%, and I got a CRT for $2 off CVS Health cold and flu, so you can go ahead and use that there. And let's see, we got Johnson & Johnson coupons. You can do this BOGO 50, spend 25, get 7. We also have CVS baby items, buy one, get one 50%. So if you got that 3 off 15 CRT, you could go ahead and pair that there. And I think that that's all that I want to talk to you guys about now. Oh, and then the L'Oreal Elvive, they're 2 for $8. There's a 3 off 2 coupon coming in our Retail Me Not. Instant coupons perning 3 off 2. You could combine this L'Oreal deal with the Garnier deal, and it could make for a really good deal if you have a CRT for hair care. And then lastly, the Dunkin' Donuts coffee is $5.99. So this is the ad scan for you guys. I'll have more breakdowns coming later on this week, but I just wanted to hop on here and just give you guys a glimpse of what is going on and if you should go do the deals today or if you should wait and maybe do them next week. So I'll have this ad scan linked for you guys below if you guys want to check it out, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.